हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कंप्यूटर साइंस वर्ल्ड। सो आज हम कर रहे हैं एमसीक्यूज। टॉपिक है स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक ऑफ एटम। सो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इसके बाद होगा स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ अल्कली मैटर। ठीक है, टॉपिक वाइज हम इस यूनिट को कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, पर टॉपिक के मैं आपको 20 या 30 एमसीक्यूज प्रोवाइड करवा दूँगी। ओके गाइस, पर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दें और वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। नोबडी विल सब्सक्राइब, दे जस्ट वॉच एंड गो थ्रू आउट। So please subscribe guys, it's a humble request. So let's start. Question number first is, what is the relation between electromagnetic wavelength whose wavelength lambda, frequency nu and phase velocity v? So among these, what is the correct relation for that? So here option C is the correct answer for the relation. ठीक है, so question number second is, total number of series in hydrogen spectrum is A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. So here there are 5 number of series in hydrogen spectrum, that is Lemon, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund. Okay, so question number third is, Brackett series is obtained when all transition of electrons terminate on A fourth orbit, B fifth orbit, C third orbit, D second orbit. So here option A is the correct answer, that is fourth orbit. Next question is, in hydrogen spectrum which of the following series lie in the ultraviolet region? So here option D is the correct answer, that is Lyman series lie in the ultraviolet region. Okay guys, question number 5 is, photon of highest frequency will be absorbed when transition takes place from A first to fifth orbit, B second to fifth orbit, C third to fifth orbit and D is fourth to fifth orbit. So here option A is the correct answer guys, that is first to fifth orbit. Okay, so next question is, this is the relation and you have to tell this relation represent what? A Rydberg law, B Schuster law, C Rydberg-Schuster law, D Fraunhofer law. So here option C is the correct answer. Question number 7 is, the intensity of spectral lines dash with the concentration of atoms. A remains same, B increases, C decreases, D becomes half. So here option B is the correct answer. Question number 8, the intensity and shapes of spectral lines vary with the dash. A temperature, B pressure, C chemical composition, D all of the above. So here option D is the correct answer, that is all of the above. Move to next question. So question number 9 is, when heated to incandesce, monoatomic gas emit a spectrum of dash. A distinct lines, B closely spaced line, C continuum of emission, D none of these. So here option A is the correct answer, that is distinct lines. So guys, this question is about monatomic gas. In the same way, two more question comes for solid and for polyatomic gas. Okay, so note the difference between them carefully. Okay, so here next question is same. I have said you, when heated to incandesce, solid shows a dash. A distinct lines, B closely spaced lines, C continuum of emission, D none of these. So here option C is the correct answer in case of solid, that is continuum of emissions. Option C is the correct answer guys. Okay, question number 11 is, formula to calculate the hydrogen series of lines is. So from these formulas option D is the correct answer. Okay guys, moving to next question. When a body loses its internal energy by lowering its temperature, then it emits A energy, B thermal radiation, C heat, D none. So here option B is the correct answer, that is thermal radiation. Question number 13 is, when heated to incandescent, polyatomic gas produce. Same question arises in case of but in case of polyatomic gas. So here option B is the correct answer. It produces closely spaced lines. Okay, note the difference. Question number 14. The speed of electron in the first Bohr orbit as compared to the velocity of light is given as. So here option C is the correct answer, that is 1 upon 137.29. So we calculate by this formula. Okay. Question number 15. For any case of transition from a positive state to any discrete negative state, and the emitted frequency is given by. So here option A is the correct answer, that is nu is equal to R by N square plus del E by Hc is the correct formula. Okay. Moving to next question, the frequency of a spectral lines emitted out by an atom is A. Inversely proportional to the difference of energy between two energy states, B. Directly proportional to the difference of energy between two energy states, C. Equal to the difference of energy by 2, D. None of these. So here option B is the correct answer, that is directly proportional to the difference of energy between two energy states. Question number 17 is find the velocity of electron motion in nth orbit. So here option C is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 18th, find the time period for the motion of electron in nth orbit. So here option A is the correct answer. See how time period is equal to circumference by orbital velocity. Circumference is these and orbital velocity is these. ठीक है, तो देखो ध्यान से, हम इनको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा सॉल्व आउट होके. ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन ए जो है वो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है. ओके गाइस. Question number 19 is why is a series limit in the spectrum of hydrogen atom associated with continuum? Due to adjoining continuum, due to hyperbolic path, due to discrete energy level, D. due to transition between a discrete energy level which arise due to motion of electron in closed orbit. So here option D is the correct reason. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Okay. So question number 20th is what is the magnetic moment of atom? So from these, B is the correct option. Okay, so guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friend. Please subscribe. Thank you all. Please keep supporting.